Hello everyone, below I'll share how to connect iPhone Farm to your computer. iPhone Farm comes with a power cord, USB data cable, and network cable. Use a screwdriver to open the cover. Plug in the power cord, USB data cable, and network cable. The cable should be on the same local area network as the computer. Open the screen mirroring software after the phone boots up. Open device list. This will display the number of unconnected phones. Right-click the phone, select Initialize Device, select the corresponding model, and perform initialization. Simply wait for the phone to connect successfully. You can also initialize multiple phones at once. Left-click and scroll down to select all phones. Then right-click and select Initialize Device. Wait for the phone to connect successfully. If any phone fails to connect, try connecting it again individually. After a successful connection, we can perform batch synchronization operations on all devices or independently control one or more devices. If one or more devices fail to initialize successfully in batches, open the device list, right-click, select Find Phone, and observe the red indicator light inside the box. Locate the corresponding phone, then click Initialize Device again to see if the phone can connect successfully.